Hello my friends, now I explain the assembly of my first CNC. We can see how it's arrived at the packet. Here we see all the pieces. We start to assemble the X-axis. This is X-axis mounted. At the top we can see the step motor for X-axis. Here is at the left. We continue to mount Y-axis, as you can see. Y-axis step motor. We can appreciate the diverse position. At the same time, I mount the spindles. At the same time, I put the aluminum Y part. This is our X part and Y part. The Y part have your spindles. Sometimes was brown. I have to correct this, as you can see at the picture. It's necessary to mechanical precision. Now we can see the part mounted X, Y, and Z. We can see the pictures at diverse angles in order to understand how to mount this machine. After we finish the mechanical parts, continue with the electronical parts. At the electronic parts, there is the step controls and software compiler. Now connected the power supply and the card is on. Just at this moment it's important to set up the port COM. This machine uses global control. Global control is a CAM software. This is the global window. Here is necessary to setting. In console windows we can control the instructions. Upload the test file. At this point our machine is prepared to start to work. Now we start to test live our CNC. Move X-axis. The mechanical part, it was difficult to set up. Sorry for background TV voices. Now I prove the machine without bits, only to control how it's working. Simulation only without bits. Here we set the spindle speed. At this point, can tell you the machine is working. Using the global control, we test the Z axis. We make up and down Z axis. That's all for now, my friends. Thank you so much.